Hey everyone, in this video we're going to install a network printer using one of PIA's automations. I'm going to simulate this ticket coming into our triage board as a new ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and save the ticket. And I'm going to show you what PIA does in the background here. So as we get to the description in the ticket, PIA uses its machine learning and AI confidence rating to read that ticket and to choose the automation like you see here. Also in the background, it's triaging the ticket. If I refresh my screen here, you're going to see it do a couple things. I had it move to a different board, change my status, type, subtype, items, and gave it a ticket owner. This is really going to help your dispatch also, saving them time just like it's doing for your tech. I'm going to pick that user so we can run this automation on their desktop. What PIA does once I select that user, it goes and looks and queries that user, which machine they've been logged into. Another time-saving feature instead of trying to hunt down their machine. You can see right here it's going to show the workstation that they're active on now. We have a couple options here. We can pick a local network printer so we can install that, or do an Active Directory listed. Since this is a cloud hybrid scenario, I'm going to go ahead and choose that. So it's going to go out and query the list of printers in Active Directory. So it's looking at the DC. I'm going to go ahead and choose the upstairs printer. We're going to install that one today. And there it is. It's already saying that it's installed, and if I'd like to do anything else with that. Let me pull up my desktop real quick and show you. So there, it installed that printer right here on my remote desktop. So just another time-saving automation that PIA offers up. And that's it for today. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of great content out there. And we'll see you next time.